Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine is displaying the error code HC1. Error codes are usually displayed on your digital display screen on your appliance if there is a fault on the machine. Thankfully, solving that problem is usually pretty simple. The HC1 error code indicates that water is not being regulated properly inside your appliance and therefore may be too hot. This means that there is a problem with the thermostat and it will need to be replaced. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and of course a new thermostat, and we'll provide a link to these in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. Next thing we need to do is to remove the back panel by undoing the 6 Phillips head screws that hold it into place. So with the back panel removed, here we have the thermostat and the electrical connection to it. It's quite simple to remove the thermostat on this EcoBubble Samsung. On some models you might have to remove the heating element and you might also have to remove the belt. To learn how to do both of those fixes, check out our eSpares YouTube channel. For now, I can simply gently pull on the thermostat until it comes out of the drum housing, and then disconnect the electrical connection. To find the correct thermostat for your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine, you're going to need the exact model number. Now, if you don't know the model number or you don't know where to find it, check out our helpful video here, which will give you all the information you need in order to get the correct part for your particular machine. To fit your new thermostat, simply push it in as far as it will go, nice and gently into the housing, and then reconnect your electrical connection. With your new thermostat fitted, you can then refit the back panel. So there we have it. Hopefully your machine is now back up and running again and no longer displaying the error code HC1. While you're here, why not check out our video on energy saving tips for your washing machine to not only save you energy when you use your appliance, but also help you save money. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.